warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. So we are from Masing Enterprise and today we will present about our product which is automated underground floodgate. Okay, so this group consists of 5 team members. The first one is Akmal Hakim bin Zulkifli, Fakrul Radi bin Abdullah, Muhammad Syafiq bin Abdul Aziz, Muhammad Zulkarnain bin Mazlan, and myself, Muhammad Haris bin Muhammad Yusof. So this is our company background. So as stated, our name is Masing Maju. Nature of our business is residence gate system. It is located at Bandar Teknologi Kajang, Selangor. So this is our industry profile. Okay, Masing Maju is a company established on the 1st of October 2022 by myself, Muhammad Haris bin Muhammad Yusof. We specialize in residence gate system and currently working on innovating a new product which is an automated floodgate. So our vision is resident security and floodgate manufacturer, and our mission is to offer the high quality of residential security to each neighborhood and guarantee a satisfaction for the consumer to feel safe at an affordable price. So this is our organization chart. So I am the general manager, Muhammad Haris. So the secretary is Akmal Hakim. The Department of Human Resources is headed by Muhammad Syafiq. Customer service is Muhammad Zulkarnain and Fakrul Radi as the marketing manager. So why innovation? Innovation is, to simplify the innovation, it is a transformation of organization. So for a greater change, our company aims to create a disruptive new product and services where ideas are contributed to propose a new product to avoid floodwater from entering one's property. So we make use of current situation to provide our product, which is a security system. And the innovation of this product targets the safety of a house where customers will feel secure, especially during high rain season, which can result in major flash flood in the housing area. So that's all for me. I will present you the next presenter.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zulkarnain. I'm going to present about the background of existing product. So as we can see, the beside picture is the current product which is existing in the market. Next. Okay, this is the description of the existing product, which is the floodgate is made of stainless steel plate with waterproofing mechanism. It has locking mechanism and slotted plate. This mechanism is to ensure that there is no water stream will enter the house during the flood. Okay, next. Okay, for the product description, this type of floodgate was manually operated and made of stainless steel and coated with waterproofing material to avoid any leak and can withstand the flood current. The attachment mechanism for the floodgate was slotted lock, and actually this type of product need manpower to stack the floodgate during the flood. So the problem statement is we need to create a product that need no man the problem statement for this product is it's need manpower to operate manually upon the flood, which is the manpower need to stack the floodgate securely to avoid the water stream to enter the house. So if there's any misplacement of the flood barrier, it will can cause leakage, then it will cause damage to the properties in the house. Okay, next. Okay, why product need to be innovated? So to ensure the floodgate can be operated manually, automatically without any human supervision, as our new product will be operate automatically by if by the sensor detect the water level, and the floodgate will rise up automatically uh, without any human operation. So and then to avoid any misplacement of the flat barrier upon the human error that can lead to leakage, we need to innovate the existing product. So I will pass to another presenter. Thank you.
Me, as a faculty, I want to present about the innovation. So the type of innovation. The type of innovation for this product can be concluded the increment the innovation whereas the product involved to change to existing the product to exploit it. So it potentially for the existing design. After that, this automated underground float gate too is improved in the knowledge and the material associated with a particular technology, and the technology itself is also to improve its standard replacement. Next, another. So the product clarification. This product is a clarification as the answer product. So about the answer product, that consumer that are not aware about knowledge to about this product, and the consumer have no desire to intention to buy the unsold good under a normal consumption. Concomitants. Next. This about the product model. Float gate automated. Next. Next slide. So this product is about 10 kilogram weight, the total. So in the right side, in the blue box is about the motor, and the under box is the box of blue is the screw to move only the top base float. So the float gate is a come down, and the bar is a move. And this part also, the second part is as the support to avoid the product is move around. Next. The bill of material that have about the total is about 1,508 ringgit, and we use about the gate plate, steel rod, and X-bar plate, and also we use a water level sensor to know the level of water in the gate. The motor can move same amount of the water level. After that, we pass to another presenter.
Good evening. My name is Muhammad Shafiq, and I will continue the presentation. So, as you can see, here are the usability. This product can be considered as safety devices which protect our home and belongings from damage caused by flood. By installing our product, that is the automatic floodgate, we can avoid the flood stream from entering our house. Next slide. Here are the functionality, that is the operation of automated floodgate that were fully automated. Firstly, the system will be on standby mode, and if the flood happens, the sensor will detect the water at a certain level. The sensor will send the signal to the reversible motor, and the reversible motor will start operating and lifting the mechanism and start working. The next step, that is the floodgate will rise, and the limit switch will detect the gate, and the reversible motor will stop. The system will be on standby mode, and lastly, we reset after the floodgate back to the original position. Next slide. So our product, we improvise it from the originality to be modern will be that is modern for our consumer, so that they will not have to install the floodgate manually. So as you can see, the left side is the manual floodgate and the right side is the automated floodgate that we invented. So we implement the autonomous element into our product, which can be operated without any manpower. And the system also consists of water level sensor as the system input and reversible motor as the output, which is help with the floodgate movement mechanism. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, Muhammad Shafiq, thank you for the presentation just now. So before I start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Hakim bin Zulkifli, and I would be presenting on my part. So for this slide, it is explained about the technology. So the element of Industry IR 4.0 based on our project is the product integration, where it is a process of bringing together the component subsystem into one system and ensuring the subsystem functions together as a system. This means that for our product, we relying to the motor for the lifting and lowering down the floodgate. So yeah, motor will act as a system to bring up the level so that it will prevent the flood water enters the home. So next slide. So this is the target market for our project. Next slide, please. So yeah, the first one will be defined as a group of customer with shared demographic who have been identified as the most likely customer. The second one for our target market is chosen demographic is based on geometry, where our main target customer are those living in the area usually affected by flood. And the last one will be those age 27 and above with steady income, which we can say that they are afford to buy this product, and it is a sustainable product for their house in particular area in our another target market. So next slide, please. And the second one will be the product value. So our product aims to provide protection from the flood water from entering the house, just like I just said before. And the second one would be by having an automated system, the system can be controlled from afar, which will be convenient for us and for the customers, that they can monitor and take action when such disaster occurs unexpectedly. So basically, when our product can be controlled by afar, so it will gives an advantage and the valuable of the product so that they will buy it. And the last one would be further effects of this product should include the prevention of greater damage to the properties that will cost more to maintain afterwards. So that's it for our market and for our presentation. Thank you. Thank you.